Well, next on Colorado & Company, the Furry Scurry is just 1 week away. We're getting ready to learn how to make your own healthy dog treats at home. DIY expert Vida Urbonas joins us with the recipes in just a few minutes. Keep it here. All right, well, the Furry Scurry is next week, and can you believe it? The weather is nice, and we're so excited. So get your pup ready with a few healthy treats. I'm here with DIY expert Vida Urbonas, and she's made a couple treats for her pup.
Yes.
We're going to learn more about that. I want to find out where you found these recipes. But we have Izzy here as our guest star. She's going to be doing the unofficial taste testing of the treats. But you said she's been eating quite a bit.
She's been eating these treats all morning, so we'll see if she eats any, because I think she might be a little full. But yeah, and Izzy's been on 9 News quite a bit in the past, so she loves to come out here. She was so excited today when I said, hey, we're going to 9 News, right?
She sees herself on TV.
So
all right.
She's ready.
You
so
brought 3.
Yeah, so I made 3. I did a lot of scouring on the internet, Pinterest, found those top recipes that, you know, just seem to get a lot of shares, as well as one that just like pops up when you Google dog treats. And so the 3 that I found were this peanut butter drizzle, chicken jerky, just plain chicken jerky. And then right over here, I'm going to pull this over here, these little princess crown ones.
I love those.
I know, that's just basically banana, peanut butter, and oatmeal. So I have a little, I have a little video to show you how to make these.
Okay.
And then you guys can determine what you want to do for yourself at home. Okay. So starting with that peanut butter drizzle one, that's that first one, and that does look like a cookie. Those are those chicken jerkies, and then the peanut butter oatmeal banana were those. I started out on the first one with 1.5 cups of that raw oatmeal. I added banana, I added peanut butter in that, and that's it.
That's
you mix
fantastic.
You roll it out, and there you go. You put your crowns and you bake at 350 for 15 minutes. It is that easy.
I think that's fantastic. Why do you recommend people?
And the chicken jerky ones, let me run you through that real quick. You do 1 pound of the chicken breast, boneless of course, place it on that wire rack on a cookie sheet so it can drip down on that cookie sheet. Lay out the chicken, put it in the oven for about 2 hours at 250. That's where it really dehydrates it. Flip those chicken pieces over, cook it for 45 minutes or until done. You might need to go a little longer. This last one, that cool one, that peanut butter drizzle one, that has pumpkin in it.
Oh.
Yeah,
peanut
butter,
eat that up.
eggs, and then the oil, and then you also added the whole wheat flour, and then baking soda. So it's like a healthy cookie without the sugar and those additives. Mix that up, and then roll it out, and then cut out the dog bones, baked that way as
or
well.
any shape you want.
Any shape you want. I mean, you don't have to stick to what I did on these. I just thought it was kind of fun. You could have your little princess dog party. Now for the drizzle, 2 tablespoons of the Spectrum coconut oil and then some peanut butter, and then you put it in your bag. You cut a little thing on the end, and then you could drizzle it on our treats. And if you want to, you can help me grab yours over there.
I want to.
Or I can give you this one. And it's that easy, and the kids love doing it too. So just kind of you create your own drizzle. This does harden up a little bit. Again, it's just coconut oil. And then oh my gosh.
Look at how good those look.
My golden retriever loved it.
Oh, I can't even, no, all of these ingredients people can eat. So you're not putting things in there that are unnatural.
I know, because when I went and looked at some of the ingredients that you see in some of those store-bought, you see a lot of extra stuff, a lot of kind of sugar and stuff. My son was picking up these, just the biscuits without the drizzle on it, and he's like, oh, this is really good. It doesn't have any sugar in it, but he's like, it's kind of like a cookie. So my son started walking around the house eating it. So, it's healthy for your family, too.
When you've got oatmeal and banana in there, it's a nice little breakfast treat. So
you sneak in a banana, you sneak in a little pumpkin, you sneak in a little peanut butter, and they have no idea.
No, speaking of little pumpkin, you like these little treats, do you, Izzy? Here, you want to? I gave her a little bit of the chicken jerky.
She ate that earlier.
She did. She might be pittered out. She's like, oh, I've had plenty of treats today.
Okay, let's try this one right here. You want to do the drizzle? She had so many. There she goes. But I can tell you that they like all of them. I think the chicken jerky, put those in a container in the fridge, and they just love that the best.
Where can we find all of these recipes, Vida?
Oh, yes, and put it on my YouTube channel, the parenting channel. On YouTube, you'll find it right there, and it's one of my most recent. Oh, she's got peanut butter in her. It's one of my most recent. Oh, there's Izzy again. She's everywhere. I love it. I can say I recommend all 3 of these.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Izzy and Vida. So great to see you both out here in the beautiful backyard. We've posted the recipes on both the Colorado & Company Facebook page. It's also posted on our website at coloradoandco.com. You can find all of Vida's DIY projects and ideas online at cookcraftkids.com. That's cookcraftkids.com. And on her YouTube channel, just search The Parenting Channel.